Hi everybody, welcome at the ESCRS and welcome at the Ophtec booth. I'm excited to present to you our new company look. You might have noticed our new logo and you might have noticed our changed colors, a complete new identity for Ophtec. Because this year we celebrate our 40th anniversary. That means 4 decades of being an ingenious partner for ophthalmologists worldwide. We have new packaging in place, we have new magazines, new brochures, everything. But the most exciting part is that we have new products coming up. My colleague Tiago is going to tell you about it in a minute. I wish you a great ESCRS. See you soon.
It is a great pleasure to be once again here at the ESCRS, this time in the beautiful city of Vienna. And we're extremely excited because we had the opportunity to present a new phakic presbyopic correcting IOL, the RD+, during the Innovation Day. We have shown the data, the clinical data, and the response from the surgeons have been amazing. So we're very excited about that. Furthermore, we just got last week our CE certification for Precision Go, a new cataract lens that will help patients that want to have a good enhanced intermediate vision. If you want to find out more, just give us a call or visit our website. Thank you very much.